Okay, let's take a look at the market before it opens for another week of trading. Today is July 14, 2013. First of all, going back to last week, we are talking about waiting for the market to decide which direction it was going to go. And looking at the S&P, as you recall, that we're basically looking for it to break this trend line here, as well as get above this particular level right here, which is somewhere around the 1646, 1652. So when it got above that, and also when it broke this trend line last Monday, and then on Wednesday it kind of make a little peak above this level here. Then on Thursday, it just gap up and ran for a new high. Right now, we're still waiting for the S&P to make a all-time new intraday high here, on this level here. Although it did close the, to an all-time new closing high, we're still waiting for it to come up and tag this 1687.18. So we're going to wait to see if that will happen and will it be able to move above that. So right now, as it's stand on a new territory, and since there's no premises for us to see exactly what is the next resistance level, I usually go and apply my Fibonacci tool to get some sort of a retracement. And if we use that, and using this particular swing level here, you can see that it could get up to possibly up in the 1728 area here. So also the other thing here, it seems to like here we also were looking at the trend line here for it to get back above this particular trend line that it broke. So yes, you can see that last week the market really took out all those critical points that we were waiting for it to give us a confirmation that it's going to resume to its uptrend. One is this particular the level here, breaking above this trend line, right? And also getting back above this particular long-term trend line, as well as getting back above this level here. So now the critical point to see is this new all-time intraday high here, to see will it be able to close above that particular level. Then also looking at the Dow Jones Industrial 30, similarly we're looking for this particular trend line to break and also get back above this particular level here, this pivot point, which is somewhere around 15,340. And right now it's again similarly to the S&P 500. We want to see can it get back up to the all-time intraday high, which is 15,542. So we're going to see is that be able to get close above that particular level. Similarly, we're looking at this particular trend line here for it to recapture that trend line, and you can see it did go back above that on I believe that was on Tuesday, and also get back to this pivot point. So along with the Nasdaq 100, the Nasdaq 100 also came back up, and same thing. We're looking at this particular level for it to get back up, and right now the Nasdaq seems to be have a move above this new 52-week intraday high, and it closed at 3079.07. And then the strongest one, as we were mentioning, the Russell 2000, is kind of give us a little heads up that it was going to take the lead, and it was kind of signified that the broader market will probably kind of come and follow the lead to a new all-time high. And indeed, the Russell, it's remarkable that if I go to the bar graph, I mean you can see all these updates. And if we are going back to the Nasdaq 100, I think that's more astonishing. Is I believe it's 13-day, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Or did I skip one? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Yeah, it was 13 consecutive updates. That's pretty remarkable for a Nasdaq 100 to pull in that. So certainly the market is a little bit extended. Is it going to continue to move up higher? Well, we can only just wait and see. But wouldn't be surprised for a little pullback, essentially, especially after last week's strong move. So now the negative side is that the Dow Jones Transportation is still haven't been able to get up to its high. although it did break above this particular pivot, so it is trying to get back up to these this all-time high here. So we just have to see, will the transportation come up and catch up with the Dow Industrial and try to get back in sync and get the Dow theory confirmation going again. But right now we're still seeing a non-confirmation on the Dow theory, so that does put some skepticism behind this particular move. So we just have to still remain cautious